Okay, hi, my name is Nyasha. That's short for Nyasha Zashe. Today I'm going to be doing linear programming, and that's chapter 2. Yeah, chapter 2. Chapter 3, actually. Okay, my question is, a company manufactures television sets, sound systems, and can manufacture 250 units in total per day. The two products require 6 meters and 9 meters of copper wire respectively. There is 750 meters of copper wire available for a given day. The profits are 3,000 Rand and 2,000 Rand for the two products respectively. Formulate a linear programming problem of obtaining production quantities to maximize the profit. And there's one catchy statement: do not solve. So you just know those are 3 marks for you. So, one trick behind this question is every single statement and every single word written in it matters. So you have to make sure that as you go along the line, make sure that you write each and every single statement. So we'll go over the question line by line. A company manufactures television sets. These are given is television sets these are all equal to X. So for now our television sets are going to be X. Then sound systems are going to be equal to Y. All this we have let them to be certain numbers, So we go to the next. A company manufactures television sets, that's X, sound systems Y, and can manufacture 250 units. So our total, that is for both television sets and sound systems, they're all equal to 250. This means that for the company to produce per day, it's either they can produce X plus Y being less than 250, but we know that the maximum is 250, so therefore it's going to be X plus Y is less than or equal to 250. They cannot produce anything above 250. Then we go on to the question. The two products require 6 meters and 9 meters of copper wire respectively. So, since we have respectively, it means that for our X, since it was the first thing that we were told, is going to correspond with 6 meters of copper wire. That means for the television sets, they're going to use 6X, yes. And then for sound systems, they're going to be using Y with 9 meters of copper wire. So, and just to continue a little bit with the question, there is 750 meters of copper wire available for a given day. Therefore, I'll just note down that there is 750 meters, right? And we already know that it's going to be 9 meters of copper wire for sound systems. Therefore, with this 750, I need to have television sets and sound systems. So my 6 meters will go along with the television sets, and then we're going to have 9 meters of the copper wire for the sound systems. So I don't know the number of television sets that I'm going to formulate, but I know they're going to be represented by the X. And the sound systems, I don't know the number, but they're going to be represented by the Y. So therefore, 6X plus 9Y, this has to incorporate and be less than or equal to 750 meters. Just to further explain this, 6 meters, right? 6 meters is used for the X and 9 meters for the Y. Therefore, you cannot use more than this. You cannot use this and then it's over 750. It has to be less than or equal. Then we move on with the question. The profits are 3,000 and 2,000 for the two products, right? And that's respectively. And the question goes, formulate a linear programming problem of obtaining production quantities to maximize the profit. There is one thing that you have to know when we're doing linear programming. There is always an implicit cost that is incurred for the constraints. So therefore, you should always know that since this is these are all objects, we cannot produce something that is less than 0. We can never have a negative. Therefore, x, y always has to be greater or equal to 0. Since either you can produce nothing or you can produce something that is above 1, and that is positive. Therefore, we move forward to our question. It says, formulate a linear programming problem of obtaining production quantities to maximize the profit. My profit. 3,000 is connected to television sets. Therefore, for me to acquire 3,000, I would have sold. For me to acquire 3,000, I would have sold television sets. Then for me to acquire 2,000, I would have sold the sound systems. Therefore, for this particular company, you have to get 3,000 X, that's for the television sets, plus 2,000 Y for the sound systems. This is the statement or the function that is used to maximize the profit. Thank you.